Want to leave you with one thing though. If you don't think mindset is important, go to every athlete. Like literally, go to any person that's athletic. They're gonna tell you it is 90% mental.
What is the difference between successful bloggers and unsuccessful bloggers? Mindset. Successful bloggers will do everything it takes to get to that point when most unsuccessful bloggers won't. Don't let fear in yourself hold you back.
I'll help.
Make sacrifices and risk things, because if you don't risk anything, you're not gonna get anything. It starts with no more me excuses.
Filled with me excuses.
Don't say, oh, I'm not big enough, or I've been through a lot, I have a very traumatizing story. Who said that yes, you have a traumatizing story, but you can rewrite that story? The only person that has control over their situation and predicament to be in a better spot is you. And once you're a successful blogger from your dope mindset, you can just inspire your family and your fam about what you've been through, so that they can see that I'm in this situation, but I can get through it too because they did as well. Next is networking and making friends with people that bring in the best in you and support your dreams and support your goals. This is very, very important, because people who bring you down are only going to bring down your mindset. You want friends that are going to want to level up with you, celebrate your achievements, and tell you what you need to hear rather than what you want to hear. And I want you to remember this. People will come and go, especially when you do what's best for you. Not them, you. Allow yourself to have the people come to you, not for you to go after people. Big difference. When I started doing this, letting the friends come to me, everything changed. Next is, you think you have time, but you really don't. Time is money. Successful bloggers make their time and use it wisely. They get up early. Success comes to those who wake up early. They don't eat chips and sit down and be lazy. They make every second count. 30 minutes, you don't waste it. You do check emails, you edit blog posts, you make every time count. That's why us young bloggers, you know, around like 16, 17, 18 or under, we have something that no one can steal from us, no one can take this away from us. It's called time. We have time to test crap and to mess up and to screw up and not have any risk of completely our bill going away, because we're not paying the bills yet. Young bloggers have a slight edge compared to the adults, but the adults too, you still have to manage your time well. You still have to make time your greatest ally, because time is finite, and this life is so meaningful to all of us, and we can't waste it. Life is so short. We need to act like every day we are blogging like it's our last day, our last time on this planet. That mindset will take you extremely far. Next is accepting yourself and shutting down people's opinions. You can't do anything, you can't make anything a reality if you don't believe in yourself. Confidence. Confidence comes from the word confidere, or confidere, something like that, meaning to trust. So you have to trust yourself. You have to trust that you're gonna make it far. You have to trust the fact that you're gonna make your blogging dreams a reality, and you're gonna have to trust that no matter how much you lose, how much sacrifice you're making, you're gonna reach the finish line. It's all about believing in yourself, because when you believe in yourself, no one can tell you can't do something, because your inner self is stronger than the outside. A lot of people are gonna tell you just get a normal job, just don't blog, it's too risky, you don't know if anything's gonna happen, what if this doesn't work out. Shut out the crap, shut out the negativity, and just listen to your inner self, listen to what you want, and cut out the judgment. And you will never give up. You will stick through, and you will believe in yourself to keep blogging even when it starts to get hard and tough. The really powerful one is having a mentor. Any mentor, it doesn't have to be a blogging mentor, it can just be someone that you know is very successful and you look up to them, whether it's your parents or probably not going to be me. you know, a YouTuber, a creator, an entrepreneur, anyone, a doctor, a lawyer, have a very strong mentor and always look at them so as like a way of, okay, they've been through all this crap, all this bull, they've had people not believe in them, and look where they are. That means I can do it too. Having a mentor is crucial. I have many mentors in my life. I don't have just one. I have like almost 10 mentors, and you generally want to stick with one mentor, but if you have like 5 mentors, that's okay. You can bounce between mentors to help give you that motivation, help give you that spark when you start to question your motives. Next one is when all else fails, you start to question yourself, you start to doubt yourself, your mindset starts to take a big dip. Put faith in God's hands and everything's gonna be okay. When all doors start to close and you start to realize everything's crumbling around you, God will come at that time where stuff is really taking a turn, and he's gonna open that door. He's gonna open that little window, and you may not be ready to go through that door, but he'll wait for you. And when you wait and eventually go through that door, things start to change. And that's just the amazing thing that God does. He always opens opportunities for us when we put faith in him, when we put trust in him. Yes, we have to do our 50%, he'll do his 50%, but sometimes we just have to trust him. And even though it may seem like where he's taking us now doesn't seem like it works, or we don't know where we're gonna go in 5 years, he will have something for us. You know, I wish I had someone tell me that I'm gonna be here doing YouTube. I wish I had someone tell me that I'm gonna be creating content to help people, but God took me here and God put me here, and I never thought in a million years I would be making content. I used to be that YouTuber who watched content and consumed YouTube videos and listened to podcasts, but I never thought I would be the creator. And it's such a blessing that what God can do is freaking extraordinary. And God is just, he's good. God is freaking good. He will make things happen for you. He will make you succeed. Trust me, trust him, and put hands in him.
Sometimes feel like everything around you is just closing, no doors are working out. Sometimes that's when God is showing up for you, is putting you on your path to be able to complete your purpose. And sometimes when you're near your purpose, and sometimes you need direction, sometimes God will just move everything around, shut everything down to put you where you need to be. So sometimes just ask for what you want. Be still and receive. Be still and receive.
But my mindset has really taken me far in content creation, and most people quit in around 3 months because they have a very toxic mindset. They want to grow. They want to make money. They want to make millions. But you have to think about it like this. You have to help a ton of people before you're going to get the numbers and the money and the fame. You have to help 1 million people if you want to make $1 million. And I've been in this game for almost 2 years now. Almost 2 years. And it's been an amazing journey, and I'm just gonna keep creating. I'm gonna keep pushing and moving forward because I don't know what's gonna happen. That's the scary part. I don't know where I'm gonna be after when I keep creating. I don't know where this content creation is gonna take me, but when you feel fear, you push through and you keep believing in yourself and keep pushing, and your mindset is what's gonna carry you through when things start to get tough. You have that mission, you have that why, you have a reason why you do what you do, and that why is you're gonna go back to when stuff starts to get tough. And I always go back to my why. I started the YouTube to do one thing, and that's help people. That's it. I'm here to help. I'm not here to really necessarily make money or have fame or get numbers. Like, I'm just here to help. Like, I'm here to help as many bloggers as I can, help those outcasts and those people who felt like outsiders and have been through so freaking much, but we don't have a defined audience quite yet. But that's kind of the audience I feel like I'm really reaching, is those bloggers who felt like outcasts. But that's really what it's all about. Like, the stronger the mindset, the stronger your world. So you have to change your world. Before you change your world, you have to change your mindset. But yes, please be sure to check out our Royal Blog series. Please, please, please share this. Share this to a blogger who's really struggling, who's really in a rut, so that we can help as many bloggers as we can and change the world together. So thank you so much for stopping by. I love you guys, and yeah, thank you for the support. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Meep.